Do you want a server verification that's very aesthetic and very pretty? And when you give the verify role, it removes unverified role automatically. And it can kick or ban people if they do not verify in time. In this video, what I am about to teach you is the pinnacle of the advanced verification that nobody has ever taught. I have noticed I make advanced tutorials for you for free, plus you receive free nitro thanks to my channel only, but most of you do not subscribe to my channel. If you watch my videos, then make sure to subscribe. Within 2 months, I want to reach 13,000 subscribers, and I know you can make it happen. Now, let's get started. We require 3 bots for this. The first is of course Mimu bot for the aesthetics. The second is Sapphire to auto-replace verify role with unverified role, and the last is Captcha bot to punish people who do not verify in time. Add them in your server, place them at the top in the roles, and give them admin perms. Now make sure to create verify and unverified roles with no dangerous perms. Now the invite part. Discord has added a new feature where you can customize the link in such a way that when someone joins with it, they will automatically get unverified role. Make sure to keep it its duration to never expire. Now, we will create a cute embed. I will do this one quick, since everybody knows the basic of how to create embed. If you don't know, then it's fine too. You can just join my main Discord server, as I have posted all the commands there with the steps. You can simply copy and paste them. Now, since the embed has been created, we need to add a verification reactant on it, and we will let Mimu bot do the heavy lifting again. This command script will be available in my main Discord server. This one is easy. In reply, you will write add role and remove role. In label, write verify. It's the name of the reactant. After this, there's emoji. Add an emoji that suits your overall verification layout aesthetic. It's the same for the button color. I will pick gray since that's the closest one. This whole command script will be available in my Discord server, so simply just join us, and make sure to follow me. Right now, we have created embed and a reactant. We need to merge them together. I will show how to do that. Use the command called /send and add your embed's name and button responder's name that you have just created. In channel, you will pick verify channel. There we have it. Our verification is ready. It looks so aesthetic and pretty. Now let's go ahead and try it. But before testing it out, we need to remove our verify role and then click the reactant to see if I will receive the verify role or not. There we have it. We have our verify role. This is working. Now the next part is to use the second bot now. We will use Captcha bot to punish people who don't verify in time and stay unverified. You will enter Captcha's dashboard and go to the verification section. In channel, you will add a private channel or staff channel. Keep the verification location as button panel. In VPN section, keep deny VPN yes. Now in add a role, we will use verify role. Now select add role in the option that's next to it. Now the elephant in the room. In time limit, you can keep the duration 1 hour or any time or day mentioned there. In actions, select kick. If you have logs channel, select 1 here. Then scroll up and click post. It will go to your staff channel or private channel. You might ask, Pixie, why not verify channel? Because we don't want Captcha verification. We simply want its time limit feature. When someone doesn't have verify role for more than 1 hour, they will be kicked out. You will let this one stay here. Now the third bottom. We are using Sapphire for this one. Go to its dashboard and click role connections in the second last option. This will allow you to auto-remove unverify role when verify role is assigned. In main role, you will select unverify role. In conditions, you will select user doesn't have and then add verify role there. Just do as I am doing, and then click save. And this should do it. Now let's test this. But we need to remove verify role and add unverified role. Once that's done, we will click the reactant because it will give us verify role. And then we will see if it has worked or not. And there we have it, guys. Unverified role has been automatically removed and got replaced by the verify role. So yes, that is it. I want you guys to give it a try and let me know in the comment section. It's quite an advanced level of verification. Now folks, if you want commands, layouts, and the decors I used in this video, join my main server and find bot commands channel. There you will find everything that you need. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.